How to install the 16:9 indoor P2.976 standing rental LED screen. Support with standing brackets and ground beams. Secure the first row of LED cabinets to the ground beams. Install one standing bracket for every 2 LED cabinets. Use connecting plates to secure the bracket and the LED cabinet. Install the remaining cabinets. For the second layer, it's more stable to start installing from the middle. Add a second layer of support brackets for heights exceeding 1 meter. Fit connecting plates at all enclosure joints for fixation. Connect the power and signal cables to the cabinet. Seamless splicing delivers excellent display results. Ultralight and ultra-thin, supporting quick installation and removal. Ideal for use at trade shows, events, and similar venues.